Isn't this property my parents live on just absolutely beautiful out here in the country? It's so serene. We parked our camper so that the windows were right here so we could look out over the fields. Down there's the barn where their horses are, and that's the old plantation house up there. It's just so beautiful here.
As a pancake.
No mills, no forks.
She's double forking it.
I'm gonna cut them all up.
Chi-Chi. Yeah, what the heck was Dash getting all crazy at?
Do you need a fork?
How's your pancakes, Rue?
There's another fork. My mother's work. It's like Santa's workshop in here, but it's my mother's workshop. There's leather working and crafting over there. We got all the sewing stuff over here.
There's a scientific
Her
microscope
computer's-
back there. This is like a lab.
Yeah, there's a scientific microscope where she looks at horse poop. It's fascinating in here. It's fascinating. She's working on the beds for Jonah and Rosie.
It's freezing. Inside the trailer and out. And I think we're all out of propane. So Angie and I wake up in the middle of the night and we're like, dude, it's a little more chilly than both of us anticipated. Went out and checked the thermostat, or the thermostat, and it was on, but no hot air was coming out. So just checked the propane tanks. They are completely out of propane. Our furnace runs on propane, so this was a good learning experience. But yeah, it's just cold. So we're gonna head into town and get some supplies that we need to grab just for future trips. Some tools, just some good things to have handy, just for proper preparedness. We're gonna grab some more fabric so Angie can finish up some stuff inside the trailer, and then we're also gonna get the supplies needed to build the railing for one of the bunks. We're gonna throw that together. So lots to do today. Add propane to that list so we don't freeze our tchotchkes off tonight. Yeah, should be a fun day. So you guys want to see the coolest clock you've ever seen? Take a look at this thing. On the hour, it goes through this little exercise. Anybody dizzy yet?
All right, took the queen comforter and cut it in half for the girls' bed. My mom made these. The bedding with little Velcro closures here to take them apart. Wrapping the, she's doing it, I'm doing nothing. She's wrapping the valances for the master bedroom. None of this is me. None of it. These are the curtains that go for the girls' bed. This one's Shelby's, Kennedy's, and this is the new curtain for the room divide section. We're spinning. Whee! Whee! It's like the teacups at Disney.
Really, it's like
Positively vomiticious. At the tree.
underway.
Whoa!
Spinning it with my pinky. Or with my one finger.
Where's your wee? TT, where's your... Oh, she's coughing. She's like, oh God, I'm gonna be sick. TT, are you having fun?
Are you gonna go explore the farm with your brother?
Yeah.
All right, have fun.
Bye. Bye. I get mortified.
Do what you want to. Please don't be polite.
How do you think you can catch me? Can be in the desert.
It's me.
Be hard. Why?
Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension. Moves us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true.
He's coming!
Alright guys, it's our last day at my parents' house, and really we're just packing up to go home today.
It's moving day. Look at Chloe, she's ready to go.
By moving day, you mean physically moving the camper?
Yeah.
Gotcha. So we actually only have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days until we take off for our first route. So I'm a little, I don't want to say stressed, because I'm not stressed. At the end of the day, like, we could always like literally turn around and come home if we needed to. So I'm not stressed, but I'm anxious a little bit and just trying to make sure that we have everything done. My mom was amazing. As you guys saw, she did pretty much all of the sewing projects. I used to know how to sew. I've forgotten so many things, and when she was saying things, I was like, oh, I remember that. I remember that. But she's just so much more efficient. She's pretty amazing at it, actually. So she just quickly just whips up in her head, like, how to make this mattress cover and how to do this and how to do that. So she did it all. The curtains for the girls' room, Jonah and Rosie's mattresses for their bedroom. We recovered the valances for in here and in our room. So we just got a bunch, she got a bunch of stuff done. So that was great. CR and my dad went to get tools. CR wanted to get some tools to keep on the camper instead of just, you know, moving things back and forth between the house and the camper, his tools at home. So yeah, so plus it was just nice to come out here and spend a few days with my parents. And any hoobs, we are moving today, driving today, and it's a little stressful. Not as stressful as the first time, but I think anytime you're pulling a, you know, 6, 7, 8,000 pounds, it's like, that's a lot. But that's all right. So we're gonna get this whole crew packed up, and then we are gonna begin our trek home. And then over the next few days, we're also gonna be filming like the reveal, because we've got a bunch of little things to finish, and then we'll film like our sort of final reveal of our camper renovation. And you guys know I use renovation loosely because we didn't like rip out furniture or anything like that. I think I told you guys that in the first night we did not sleep well because the babies were sick. They were still not feeling good, but they slept much better, so much better the last 2 nights. So that's great. I'm very excited to get a slightly better mattress on our bed. The kids don't care. Like, camper mattresses are not great. The kids don't care. They don't weigh much and they're not old enough to have back problems and stuff yet, so they don't really care. But us as adults, old people who have given birth and things, my back hurts on that like very hard camper mattress. So I'm excited to put the new mattress on, and I think when we get home, there's quite a few Amazon boxes waiting for other stuff that we needed, last minute stuff that we need before we go on our big trip. We will be filming our RV trip Q&A and everything. Like, we'll be announcing where we're going for season 1, as well as like the whole Q&A thing I told you guys about. We'll be filming that this weekend. So leave questions down below in the comments if you have them. We will try to answer them as best as we can. Someone tell you that that's the dog spot?
Yeah, she staked claim on that early.
She sleeps up here where she can look out the window. Chloe, will you take over that spot? How are you feeling about our first?
Good. Like, there was enough problems that happened to where, you know, you get a little bit of experience underneath it. Or
with the heat.
Yeah. So just things that we needed to, that I wanted to go wrong, kind of, just so we could problem solve it and fix it. That way when we're out on the road and at a place that's not really familiar, we know what we're doing. So gotta do sewage line dump today, which will be fun.
Woohoo!
So, but yeah, that, and got a lot of stuff done. Still have some remodeling things to do, but I think we can take care of that at home before we hit the road. So all in all, I'll give it a solid B, a solid B+. B. I forgot to say that the kids are sleeping fantastic. As a matter of fact, Noah, Jonah, and Rosie have been sleeping in later in the camper than they normally do at home. I think it has something to do with the white noise from the fan, but either way, they slept till 7 yesterday and today. That's sleeping in. Noah and Jonah are usually up at like 5:30. So I'm hoping that will continue, that through our travels they'll get so worn out, and then the white noise and everything, and that they'll sleep until like 7. That would be fantastic.
Put that.
Time to empty the crapper.
Well, step on up and let me show y'all how this is done. So the idea is you put this on the faucet.
Yeah.
Put your pressure regulator first.
Get on that! Man, get poop! Make it poop. Dog selfie, baby.
Make it poop.
That might be the funniest thing I've heard. I actually thought that was
Yeah, make it
Here,
poop.
you hold on to that. I'm giving you a gift.
Thank you.
Make it poop. Boy.
Yeah, CR, I don't think I was recording when you did that. He opened the thing when the poop thing valve was open, so poop came flying out. You know, gotta learn. She says, taste my toes. Taste them.
I have no way
Taste them. Taste them.
Mom, can I come show you
Taste them.
She's actually.
Whoa! Yay! Woohoo!
Does Chi-Chi want to turn now?
Chi-Chi want to ride the pony?
I'll rock the horse. Like, you hold
Chi-Chi
on.
ride the pony. She's like, nope, hard pass.
I don't like horses.
No one to do it.
Like, this is incredible. I ride in spirit.
I was thinking out loud. I spoke of your bravery, your wit and audacity of coming over and letting go of it all. Please move close to me. You love differently. So
Kennedy.
Yes. I'm putting things on a shelf.
Well, guys, we made it home. And CR backed it down the driveway, which we were kind of concerned about because of our mailbox and the electric box and stuff, but he backed it down and we made it. All right, guys, we're home. I'm putting on my comfy clothes. Babies are crying. It's time to go to bed. We have so much to do over the next few days before we head out. Our next video, I believe, it's either gonna be the next video or the one after that. It's gonna be the one where we announce where season 1 is gonna be, so you won't wanna miss that. Subscribe if you're not already. Blah, 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 blah. The same thing. Give it a thumbs up. Even Rosie's over there just saying blah, blah, blah.
See you later, tweets.
No.
do, do.